close my eyes, I feel a piece in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel. But when we're standing side by side, oh, there's no darkness left to hide. And oh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. And I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart. There are no words to describe this feeling of what it means to now be one. Nothing could ever keep apart, forever cherishing your heart. And oh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. And I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart. So I give you my heart. So I give you my head. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you my heart. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you my heart. And I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
You're like a work of art. Love when you leave your mark. I'm undone. You're my initial spark. Please come and break my heart. I won't run. I get lost beside you, and I won't be found. I would cross the fire if I knew that you'd be waiting around.
Well, I ain't sure you're the right one for me. Didn't I see you involved? Nobody do it like this. Pandora bag, lucky charm that wrist. This is real life. I need someone that. Nah, wait a minute. You need someone that. Pick up the phone every call. I can turn the crib to a mall.
We're too high for climbing. It's a long way down, but I don't mind if we're trying.
You ain't gonna find a drug like this. Love so real, got us up like this.
Say it's impossible because it's illogical. You're calling, I got to go with you. It's so paradoxical. It seems irresponsible. Just calling, I got to go with you.
I don't think that I would leave you. Plus be all that we could be. Let's be all that we could be. I don't think that I would leave. You plus me equals good, see. Let's be all that we could be. Let's be all that we could be.
I get lost beside you, and I won't be found. I would cross the fire if I knew that you'd be waiting.